A live Reuters feed of the Gazan city of Khan Yunis. At 10:08 a.m, the shot freezes and the sound drops. Israel has targeted the 4th floor of the Nasser hospital where the camera stood. Reuters cameraman Hussam al-Masri is killed. Emergency and health workers rush to the scene, along with journalists from a ground floor media tent. It is all broadcast live by Al-Khad TV from the street below. The damaged camera and live streaming unit are held up and shown to the crowd. Visible on the staircase is Mariam Abu Daga working for AP. Al Jazeera cameraman Mohammed Salama and freelance journalist Muath Abu Taha in the final moments of their lives. Reuters cameraman Hatem Omar, seen here in a red t-shirt, films the scene on his phone. A rescue worker says they carried 2 body bags down. As they gathered remains of a 3rd body, there was a second explosion. It was 10:17 a.m, 9 minutes after the first strike. Footage filmed seconds later is too horrific to show. Lifeless bodies piled on top of each other. New video obtained by CNN reveals that this second explosion was in fact 2 near-simultaneous strikes. The 2nd and 3rd strikes, less than a second apart, appear to have caused most of the deaths. One weapons expert says, quote, "It suggests a more carefully coordinated attack rather than a single vehicle firing at a target of opportunity."
What is the point of waiting the humanitarian and medical staff to arrive to a specific area and target them once they arrive?
Israeli statements have evolved over the past 48 hours. Israel's Prime Minister called the deaths a, quote, "tragic mishap." The IDF now says it was targeting a camera, quote, "positioned by Hamas in the area of the Nasser hospital that was being used to observe the activity of IDF troops." No evidence was offered. The IDF claims 6 terrorists were killed, disputed by Hamas and health officials in Gaza. The IDF has not addressed the double strike, adding gaps will be examined, including the decision-making process and approved munition. Satellite images show Israeli combat vehicles, including tanks, stationed nearby the hospital. An Israeli security official tells CNN the military fired on the hospital with tank shells. The staircase was often used as a live camera position by Reuters, AP and other global media outlets. With international media kept out by Israel, local journalists grouped together here, searching for cell signal to feed their material to the world. The last functioning hospital in southern Gaza already struck multiple times. The United Nations says targeting hospitals, journalists and rescue workers is forbidden under international law, calling for accountability and transparency, adding neither have been readily apparent in previous incidents where Israel has investigated itself. Paula Hancock, CNN, Abu Dhabi.